Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to accept payments on Wix for free. This is perfect if you want to start collecting payments without paying for any subscription fees or transaction costs. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First things first, head over to the Wix website and log into your account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look over to the left navigation menu where you'll find an option labeled Site and Mobile App. Click on it and a drop-down selection will appear with different options related to your website management. From this drop-down, you can preview the website settings you currently have. This is an important step because you want to make sure you're working with the correct website, especially if you manage multiple sites under one Wix account. Take a moment to confirm that this is indeed the website where you wish to accept payments for free without any subscriptions. Once you've verified you're on the right site, locate the Design Site button at the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on this button to proceed. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens and where you can customize your site's appearance and functionality. From here, start by locating the Add Element button and click on it. This button is your gateway to enhancing your website with various features and components. The Add Element window will expand, and from here you'll see a comprehensive list of all the elements you can use to customize your website. Scroll through the list until you locate the button element. Within the button category, you'll find an option specifically for pay buttons. Select one of these pay buttons and drag it onto your Wix canvas where you'd like it to appear on your page. This button will serve as the primary way for your visitors to make payments. Once the pay button is added to your site, click on it and then select Manage Payment Method. Since we're specifically looking to add a free way to receive payments without going through Wix's paid processing system, this is where you'll set that up. From the Accept Payments dashboard, locate the Manual Payments option and click on Connect. Here's where the customization comes in. You'll be prompted to add instructions for your customers on how to manually pay you without processing through Wix. This could be anything that works for you. For example, you can add your PayPal email address in the field below, or you can include links to any third-party payment platforms you prefer to use. Once you've added your preferred payment instructions, click on Connect to finalize the setup, and there you have it. You've successfully set up a way to accept payments on your Wix website completely free of charge. Your visitors can now click that Pay button and receive your custom payment instructions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.